Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and if you're not already thinking about what to make your special someone, you're way behind the 8 ball. Let me get you caught up with the Jamaican Cowboy. You need some juice, some orange juice, some pineapple juice. Freshly squeezed from the bottle, 1.5 ounces. The perfect pour. Pineapple juice, 1.5 ounces. Some Rasta Bob coconut rum. You can get this at cwspirits.com. Promo code CAFEAMORE. Save yourself some money. And get it delivered right to your door. 1/2 ounce. 1/2 ounce of peach schnapps. Mrs. Amore, you know I don't like peach schnapps. Why are you making me make cocktails with it?
Because I love it.
Always make for your wife what she asks you to make, fellas. If you don't, you're doing it wrong. Next, 1.5 ounces of triple sec. And last but certainly not least, tequila. For this one, we're going to use Don Ramon Tequila. This is a lavender version of Don Ramon Tequila. I happen to think this bottle is beautiful. I love this bottle. We're going to put in 1/2 ounce of Don Ramon Tequila. Or, sorry, I'm going to put in a full ounce, actually, of Don Ramon Tequila. Let's give it the old college try. But before I do, you know what to do. Slap that follow button for me. Oh, that makes me happy.